na moto mshishi na no apapai. Ni two events in kotonkuto. Ni two why say also say na on Trinity and ba me aba ne nkola ne ya no na okoko Trinity na e say mefe. Destiny. So ya ba
me only voice so we are not voice na continue ba me ya dia besia.
What you go catch us akola say mo ya ba me ana. Be careful. Say they me ma warning.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edbagana and Sam TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby home be from Mr. President ameje so. O text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey o baby agenda NPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyukono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Buidi. Ya many am for the Messiah, Dr. Ladma Umbo Yama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man your 7 year. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor. Na moto mshishi na no apapai. Ni two events in kotonkuto. Ni two why say also say na on Trinity and ba me aba ne nkola ne ya no na okoko Trinity na e say mefe. Destiny. So ya ba me
only voice so we are not voice na continue ba me ya dia besia.
What you go catch us akola say mo ya ba me ana. Be careful. Say they me ma warning. They be me ma warning. Ya ba me ma warning so you pay me akosho you pay ni. Me pese metumi na so. Me ti me so a me do ya me say ba comment asibio because mo kan obi na ya bre na wo Ghana nipa be ti say wo Sadiq nda na ya bre wo Ghana nipa wo ti say wo Sadiq enti na de e ba ni say yen ko the northern region omo hu ye glory de be ti say wo Sadiq because mo ti wona tonko as a tongo say don't go so wan go any e fe ni say alamba benum any even Mahama Yariganum. And a Mike, why is an indeed because a Muriki so one named them MP. Only not that there'll be on come we ate twice.
Dominica Dominica home.
Yo, what now Upper West?
Upper East for now.
I was some northern region. What post to say? Oh my God! Now Sadiq, what somebody share say?
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
What can and this is for Afaba me? I wouldn't name AFM. And yes, I am good. And this is more Yansen the Bay, and I want to about me. Who said it? Yansen the Bay, no one Yansen about me. Me see, you buy NPP more. Your office boy or paper by your office. On no yes anywhere this. Your office boy by your office. Office. On no yes anywhere this. Sanka who said Nick, Nissan Crawford way, Sa MP sway, f0r region, and then Sabah about get a candidate minister. It's me bien no, it's me, criticizing North, say, North, punishment zone, and Trace, it's Mama Yaraganum, Alam Baba MP, North, dear, glory, Erin Baho, because party now, any glory, Baba North, no, I'm pinning some sabotage, and your project, North until some Crawford says a dick move. So most no more 20 Ghana. No more the chinchi. Say project na MPP con off no. And ya the papa. You see the papa. Ya the papa because NPP actually no the region mo weather. Send ye it in yama boam kwan the commam. And it's near one village, one dam, a brand north for. Ya the Agyeta one eke more now for. Your mom road extension. Me boy, cause I'm for me the voice in painful. I know what to I'm painful. No. Your mom was friends a warehouse. A bad education. Your mom original education. Yes, a friend SS mom. Your mom education. Your mom pick up. Your mom school buses. Your health. Well, your mom one district one ambulance. Your man health director be a pickup. O come crossing Krokitswana, your mama chip compounds. Is that the motorbike pay so? Is that the same now do M health workers in my bro on Krokitswana intino? I see my mama one I found is one district, one drip machine. Your money now at 10. It was complete. You have a loader, you have a drip machine, you have a grader, you have a one that forklift na count a 10. Ni na ye nurse falling tea. Any farmers no mugu no fa. Your name say my son mo want to know. This is a grade this mama de bia mo fuda rose no. Ni na mam. In some way me ka wa utie so say me boa. Go ahead. Just go and check it. Yeah, fa green book and you mo yet ne fili kadoki ga utaga nama. It's said we na another region. Sa 5 not the region for anti-man share sad year we and two about ama NPP because in Crawford say mama yarega atongo alam baby abe catch you say e ya the papa embo mo on die tree and no for 40
29. John Agyeta, for whom they don't respect, he was deputy minister at age 29. He learned. So you can learn. There's nothing wrong with learning. But this guy will not even learn. Put his photograph there. Please get me that the post there, the other one. This guy will not even learn. He's so arrogant. He will not learn. And he exposes his ignorance every day to embarrass the government and the party. All the time. He's exposing his ignorance every day. Please give me his photograph. He's embarrassing the government every day because he doesn't want to learn. What he wrote is totally wrong. Air Ghana is a private company. It is just like a Regr3t human who is running a VIP, the bus that we take to Kumasi, VIP. And VIP outdoors 300 new buses. For VIP is a private company. It's made up of private people. And then they launch 300 new buses. And then government comes to say that, oh, we have delivered on our promise. That's what Malik Basintale has done. He doesn't know that Air Ghana is a private company. It's a cargo company. They don't take passengers to Ethiopia. They don't take passengers to South Africa. They don't take passengers to... They're a private company owned by the late, recently passed, may he rest in peace, Mawan Trabosi. Malik Basintale. He doesn't have anything to say about why he goes on his Facebook page and he's writing, that's Mawan Trabosi's photograph you're trying to give me. This is Mawan, very good friend of mine. He passed, unfortunately, one of the greatest supporters of Manchester United. Mawan is a great guy. This company belongs to Mawan. Mawan Trabosi is the owner of the company. And for the last 5 years, Mawan has been trying to bring... yeah, this is the post I'm looking for. Thank you very much. This is Malik Basintale. He says, our Ghana Airways was collapsed and turned into a chop bar and named Latante DC-10 by Yanum, referring to the MPP. Thank God. And I don't even think that the DC-10 thing was done in the MPP era. If you check, it was actually in the John Mahama era. I don't think it was 2017. It was before 2017. We'll check, don't worry. Thank God Air Ghana is back after many years. God bless the reign of H.E. John Dramani Mahama. Your leadership is resurrecting things again. Oh, Malik Basintale. This is totally disgraceful. You are just exposing your ignorance every day. You are so ignorant about anything, you won't learn. How difficult is it to learn? Give me Charles Asari's photograph, please. Let me show how ignorant and lazy Malik Basintale is. Let me show you how ignorant and very lazy he is. Now, I'm telling you the fact. I know I say I'm a for my mom is cannot to make about meaning baby or Virginia, Washington, D.C., Washington State. My mom call and simple no be jubilate. You are more and this phone because your phone is no much. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, who's a memo be a cocono.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill the water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one sa nya money in our form it is just so to start this question well musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say
legitimate question.
He did not ask out of ignorance.
He asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say me say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying, and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, asamna okano, interest and yamabo and cosru.
But the
Jawakan wanted or my pony can say. Was it a put was it a penny say was it pure water a costro and I mean because inflation above for ma and can the rate at what things will be increase the empanifono minimum woman a penny commission I can say and say and can be cost like a Caribbean it has also done a train Abianca inflation and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my car, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I don't mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro, and so
is right. Obisa,
so at the end of
what I say,
the pastor is asking,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Adentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, We had 6 people convicted.
But none from the NPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Regr3t as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Agyeta, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?